Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rashmi Ali, and today I will be talking about a very common problem that a lot of us are facing nowadays. So before I begin with the video, please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. So let's begin with the video. So the main causes of open pores nowadays is, first of all, the aging factor. After you turn 30, your skin starts to loosen up and it starts to sag a little bit. The muscles under your skin, they start to relax, and that's why the skin starts getting stretched and the pores become more visible. And that's why you start seeing bigger pores. Even though the pores have always been there, it's not like we are born without pores. Everybody is born with pores. That's how the oils and the dirt and the toxins come out from our body. We have pores all over our body. But as we age, our skin sags and the pores get pulled, and that's why they become more visible. Another factor that we can consider for open pores in a younger age, if you're not like over 30 or something, but if you're in your 20s, acne is another cause. When you have acne on certain spots that keeps coming back, that area of the skin becomes damaged and the collagen underneath your skin does not build up the way it should. It kind of it causes dents and bumps, and that's why you'll start seeing more pores. If there is blackheads in a certain area, it looks like there's more pores over there. So acne is a major cause of open pores. Even after the acne is gone, it leaves scarring and pores and that kind of stuff. Another thing is a lot of harsh scrubbing or exfoliating. So always when you are exfoliating your face or scrubbing, don't go at it like you're using sandpaper. Your skin is so soft, and it's supposed to be treated very gently and with a lot of care. So when you're scrubbing your face, I do show a lot of scrubbing and exfoliating videos on my channel, but always be sure that you're scrubbing in a very gentle manner. Just you're trying to exfoliate the skin. You're not trying to remove your entire skin off of your face. So very harsh scrubbing, harsh chemicals, the use of harsh chemicals like serums, some serums or some of these facial products, they have very harsh chemicals in them, so they can also cause the layer of your skin to get damaged, and once the skin gets damaged, pores start showing up. Another reason is wearing a lot of makeup, because if you wear makeup every day, if you wear a lot of heavy makeup every day, it starts to clog your pores, and so to push out all the dirt, the pores kind of start to open up, and then of course they start showing more. So these are some of the reasons why the pores show up, and we can take care of these things. If the pores are already there, there is certain remedies which I'll share with you today, so we can reduce those pores, reduce the appearance of those pores. And if you don't have those pores, then you can start taking care so you don't have them. And then some of these remedies are for sure to work, 100% guaranteed they'll work. So I hope that it's going to help you, and I'll share with you, and you can do one, two, all, whatever works for you, how much ever time you have and how bad your situation is, depending on that. Use these remedies, be regular in the use, and you will slowly, over a period of time, you will see that you're seeing a difference in the size of your pores. Your skin will start to kind of become tight, and the pores will shrink. The pores are always going to be there. They're not ever going to go away, but they will shrink and they won't be so visible. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first remedy today that I'll share with you is aloe vera. Aloe vera gel, it has numerous hundreds of benefits. We all know about the benefits of aloe vera. So it really nourishes the skin, it strengthens the skin, it softens the skin, it's good for anti-aging. It has so many benefits. So basically what I have done is I made aloe vera cubes. How you do this, there's so many videos on YouTube, so I don't want to waste more time sharing how to make aloe vera cubes on my channel right now in this video. But I'll just really quickly share with you. I bought the aloe vera leaf from the store, fresh leaf. I peeled off the skin, okay, I made small chunks, and I put it in the blender, and I blended it for a while, and I made sure that it made a very soft, very smooth puree, okay, very smooth puree. And then I just poured it out into the ice cube tray, and I froze it. So what you can do is every day you can just get one cube. Now this is a big cube, okay, so I'm not going to be able to use all of it in one go, so I would suggest making a smaller cube so that you can use it up every time you take out one cube, you use it up completely and you don't have to waste half of it. So what you can do is you can just rub aloe vera on your face just like this every day. If you can do it twice a day, even better, but once a day, if you can do this, just rub it. The ice in this aloe vera cube will kind of, you know, shrink your skin and shrink your pores. A lot of people suggest rubbing ice cubes on your face, which is good. Yes, it helps with shrinking pores, but if you want the added benefit, why not use aloe vera ice cubes and get the benefit of aloe vera along with the ice cubes to shrink your pores? It's a really useful remedy. It really works. So if you can do this, please do it. Aloe vera is liquid gold. Trust me, over a period of time, if you keep using aloe vera, you will see the benefits in your skin. So please do that. Another thing you can do is same way, you can make ice cubes with green tea. So it's preferred to use a green tea which is like original, which has no flavor in it. I'm showing you this one. It's the organic original green tea. I'm sorry that it's reflecting so much light. I'll link this green tea below in the description box. But this one is a pure green tea. It has no flavor in it. So you just dip a green tea bag in hot water, let it steep for 10 minutes, and then just leave it in there and let it cool off. Once the water is cooled, pour it out into the ice cube tray, just like the aloe vera that I showed you. Make the ice cubes and then use those every day, once a day or twice a day, as much time as you have, or as bad as your problem is. Just use it every single day. Green tea also really helps in shrinking pores. So the third remedy which I'll share with you today is apple cider vinegar. Make sure that it always says mother on it. Any apple cider vinegar that you buy has to say mother on it. That's the one which is going to be effective for your skincare. So apple cider has been proven to be really effective with open pores. Overall also, it helps with the pH balance of your skin, and it improves the condition of your skin with the oiliness, acne, many uses, but open pores is one of the uses that it's been recommended for. So the way you are going to use the apple cider vinegar is never use it directly on your skin. You always have to dilute it half and half. So you'll fill half the bottle with apple cider vinegar and half of it with distilled water, not tap water, distilled water, and then keep it in a spray bottle like this and just spray your face like this and let it dry on your face, and that's it. So maybe what you can do is maybe in the morning you can do aloe vera cube, the ice cube, or the green tea ice cube, and then at night before you go to bed you do the apple cider vinegar. Either or, you can kind of mix and match on these 3-4 things during the day, every day. So it's going to help you slowly over some weeks or months. You will see that there is an improvement in the condition of your open pores. So the next and very, very effective and really good and cheap and free remedy is using a banana peel. Now this banana here is not so ripe. This was more fresh, but it's preferred that you use a ripe banana. The one is kind of halfway black. So use that and just use the peel, okay? Just take the peel off like this in 2 sections. And after you spray the apple cider vinegar on top of it, when it dries a little bit, as you can see, it's still a little wet. But my main problem area is right here by my nose and my cheeks. So I'm just gonna take the banana and rub it on my skin like this. Very easy and very simple to use. Just eat the banana and use the peel on your face. It's not going to cost you a dime, and trust me, banana has so many benefits for the skin. It's really awesome. It helps with anti-aging, and it also helps with your open pores, of course, and it's going to make your skin glow. So use the banana peel like this. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off, and that's it. If you can do this every single day, that would be awesome. There is one more way of using the banana peel. If you don't want to rub the peel over your face, which I think is the easiest way to do, but if you prefer a different way, what you can do is take the banana peel, okay, place it on a flat surface and take a fork and just kind of remove what's left on the peel. Just get the flesh out like this. Very easy. Okay, so you get all the flesh out from the skin like this. And then what you get is, you know, this stuff here. So what you can do is you can just mash it up. Just mash this up, and then you can use this. You can also use this on your face, just apply it on your face. But see, this is going to be hard to stick. So it's better that you just rub the peel on your face and just leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off with normal warm water and then go about your day. So the next remedy that I would like to share with you is a mask. So you can just take some tomato pulp, tomato puree. You can either just cut a tomato in half and just kind of squeeze it lightly and get the juices out, or you can blend it in a blender, however you want to do it. And then take some fuller's earth, which is multani mitti. So just take that, the two ingredients, mix it together and apply it on your face. The multani mitti has a very tightening effect. It helps, it's known to help with open pores as well. You can do that. Another one is the mask from myGlamUSA, which is my brand. It's available on my website, www.myglamusa.com. So this is a mask and a scrub. It's a 2-in-1. It's full of many organic anti-aging, skin lightening and brightening ingredients. Multani mitti or fuller's earth is a part of this mask, but there is many more things in this mask which help with the shrinkage of pores and exfoliation plus anti-aging. So you can use this mask along with the toner. This is a saffron and rosewater toner, which is also from my brand, myGlamUSA. Saffrose toner is also available on my website. So you can mix these two, apply it as a mask and leave it on for 15 minutes, and then gently scrub your face, get it a little wet again, gently scrub your face and remove the mask. You can do this twice a week, and this is also going to greatly help you in the shrinkage of your pores. One more thing I would like to mention is, before you do your makeup, if you do have pores and you feel like makeup enhances those pores, the pores become more visible when you wear makeup because your makeup, your foundation settles in your pores. So the one thing you can do is ice your face before you start your makeup. So just a regular ice cube, get it, ice it for about 5 minutes or for however long you can take the cold feeling on your face. So just ice your face and, you know, pat it dry and then immediately start your makeup after that, and that will help also in reduction of the appearance of those pores. So these were all the home remedies that I shared with you. A couple of things that I'll share with you which are not actually exactly home remedies. So one of them is a niacinamide serum. The niacinamide ingredient has been proven to shrink pores. So if you like to use serums, you know, vitamin C serum, retinol serum, those kind of serums, niacinamide is great. It's going to help you in shrinking of your pores. So you can consider starting niacinamide serum for your skin, for your pores remedy. And another thing is Dermarolling. So I'm sure that everybody knows about Dermarolling. If you don't know, soon I'll have a video up on how I dermaroll. I do have one on my channel which is about more than a year old. So it's about time to update that one, which is coming soon. So you can do dermarolling once a week with a 0.5 mm dermaroller. Dermarolling really helps in the skin condition. If you have acne scarring, if you have pits and holes and you have bad skin, you have scarring or anything like that. It also helps with anti-aging, with the wrinkles, because what it does is it punctures your skin, it injures your skin, and so the white blood cells are rushed to that area to repair the skin. So we are not actually hurting ourselves. It's just a process that we do, and it makes your skin feel, your brain gets the signal that your skin is being injured, and so the blood cells are rushed over there, and that helps in the promotion or the formation of new cells, and that helps build collagen. So it helps in plumping your skin. The indentations and the pores, those get, you know, wiped out. It helps in removing pores and scars and all that. So dermarolling is a very good thing if you want to start, because dermarolling is not only going to help you with the open pores, it's going to help you with many other things for your skin. It has many benefits which I'll share in my next video. So do consider dermarolling as well. So guys, that was it for my video today. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And until next time, I'll see you again. Bye-bye.